Charnita? Oops, I think Kaku is fine. I mean, who can have same name, same sun sign? I mean, same fellowship journey, collab bhi same, cluster bhi same, second year PM bhi same. I think I am so grateful to Teach for India, primarily because like I met you in my journey. Thank you so much for being there, Charnita. You are definitely leaving the organization, but I'm not leaving you at all. We have had our own up and downs, but we've figured our way to 4 years of 4 to 5 years. I think I would include 1 year of volunteering as well. So 5 years of knowing each other. I love you. Please visit me once quarantine is over, and please take care of yourself. Love you.
मैंने तो खूब चप्पलें मारी अपने फेलोज को उस कॉन्वर्सेशन में. मेरे लिए इस चीज़ का स्टेक का है ज़मीन पर. यार ये ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? ये अपने सारे हाई परफॉर्मिंग एम्प्लॉयज को डिसइन्वेस्ट क्यों कर देते हैं? इन्हें अक्ल क्यों नहीं आती? चरणिता, with whom will I discuss all of these things once you're gone? हमारे बिचिंग सेशंस कैसे होंगे? कैसे हम बुराइयां करेंगे और कैसे हम बोलेंगे कि 10,000 चीज़ों पे इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को सुधरना चाहिए? कौन मेरे को थेरेपी सेशन देगा? मेरे को पैसे नहीं देने थेरेपी के. तुम्हें पता है मेरे को मौत आती है. तुम चली जाओगी, कौन थेरेपी देगा? कौन मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ का ध्यान रखेगा? और हम बिग चिल की केकरी से कब वो हॉट चॉकलेट शेक पियेंगे दोबारा? वो रेक द जर्नल में भी कितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो करना बाकी है. एक काम करो ना, मत जाओ. प्राप्ति को बोलो अपना रह लेगी. अभी तुम्हें आदत तो पड़ी गई है लॉकडाउन की वजह से घर पे रहने की. ऐसा करो, गुड़गांव ही रहो, घर पे रह के बढ़िया जीमैट की तैयारी करो. यहाँ पे कोई नौकरी खोज लो. चंबा को मारो गोली. क्या करना है चंबा में जाके? बेकार जगह है. वहाँ पे बारिश वगैरह भी होती रहती है. इतना चलना पड़ेगा. ट्रांसपोर्ट की फैसिलिटी भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. हॉस्पिटल्स भी नहीं है. तुम्हें कुछ हो गया तो मत जाओ प्लीज़ मत जाओ. इधर ही रहो, गुड़गांव में रह के बढ़िया जीमैट की तैयारी करो, पढ़ो लिखो. फिर मैं आ जाया करूँगा हर वीकेंड मिलने. तो तुम्हारे पापा और तुम्हारी मम्मी का जो तुम्हें बातें करनी है तुम मेरे साथ करना. मैं टीच फॉर इंडिया के बजाय करूँगा. विन पार्टनरशिप है हमारी. बट प्लीज़ मत जाओ इफ़ पॉसिबल. अच्छा चलो जाओ क्योंकि तुम खुश रहोगी. एंड आई थिंक एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई रियली वॉन्ट you to stay super happy. I think last year was very heavy for you, but all I want you to know is कि तुम्हारे में बहुत टैलेंट है. ओके, आप फालतू अंडर एस्टिमेट करते रहते हो अपने आप को. मेरे को कितना कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है अराउंड यू. भैया कैसे दिमाग चलता है इतना की लेवर एनालिसिस, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. उसने ये बोला तो मेरे पास 4 पॉइंट है बोलने को. कैसे गिन लेती हूँ बिना पॉइंट बोले कि मेरे पास 4 पॉइंट है, 4 बातें, 4 बकेट, 4 वो. मेरे को नहीं समझ आता तुम्हारे ये सारी कैपेबिलिटीज़ एंड एबिलिटीज़. बट ग्रेट करती रहो. और ज़रा देखना ये कि आपकी और प्राप्ति की चुगलबंदी कैसी होती है. बट super excited, yeah, super happy for you. Finally you are going to do that thing that you are very passionate about, which is working for kids. So all the very best. और please मेरे को मत भूलना, please, promise.
Hi, or should I say bye? Sorry, that was lame, but that's why your jokes. So I think this is a great tribute to your lame jokes, your creepy emojis, your heartfelt messages that are really cute. Self-proclaimed, you only call them creepy sometimes, but they're really cute actually. They make me really happy, and also the effort that you make for all the people that you love is really nice. I think what me or the team or anybody would miss about you is just your extremely amazing jokes, which you crack at probably inappropriate moments, but yeah, and as well as your amazing capacity to reflect and be very like on point with your analysis and reflections. I think probably one thing that you could learn from is this t-shirt. If you can see it, it says free shrugs. So I hope you get the joke. Yeah, but I think I wish you all the luck. I'm sure everywhere that you go, you're going to spread that happiness and you're going to spread that joy and be yourself. And I hope you're able to give less shits about things that worry you or worry the world. And what I would like to end with is thank you for being the most enthusiastic and amazing Bhangra dancer at my wedding. Definitely killing it. Thank you, Janita. Very exciting. Okay, bye.
Hi Chanita, I just wanted to tell you all the very best, and it was an absolute pleasure working with you.
Hi cutie. Okay, so I dressed up for you. I washed my hair and did everything. I also found you a guy. I always thought I would end up with him, but I feel like I can loan him to you. I think he's damn cute. He's wearing like, my god, look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay, cool. You can have him for a while. It's fine, it's whatever. You're going away. That's weird. Don't go away. Actually, go away. Whatever. I don't care. It's not like I'm gonna miss you or anything. I won't even notice that you've gone. When we're in large group gatherings and no one's cracking random Hindi/Punjabi humor, language humor, I won't notice when no one's doing that. I won't notice when there is no comic relief at the end of a really serious. I won't notice that. I won't even notice when I'm just seeing, when I really need someone to relate to, like the fact that I have issues with disguised unemployment at times. I won't miss the fact that I will not have someone to deal with that with and discuss that with and align on with. Yeah, I don't think there's any reason why I'm gonna miss you. I don't think I'm gonna miss. I'm gonna miss you a lot, bro. I think from Institute when we were program managers together, I think from the start of this journey of us together, I think I've always enjoyed your company. I've always enjoyed the humor. I've enjoyed the absolute crazy insight you bring into the room just by being so relatable and so empathetic to the fellows who are going through a fellowship, and to understand and always bring in perspective of the person who we're talking about. Like, I mean, there's always sometimes when I'm thinking of, okay, fine, I'm going to plan for these people. I think even through CityCon, when we worked together, I think you really brought in a lot of perspective on, bhai agar main fail hoti hu, mujhe ye pasand nahi aata. You know, just making it as real as possible. I mean, things look great on paper, but when they're actually in execution, how are they going to look? You have a great eye for that, and I think you're also going to, wherever you're going to go and wherever life takes you, I think what I want you to always hold on to and hold true to is just being unabashedly and unapologetically real with life, real with yourself. Just being like, guys, किसी और को शायद समझ आ रहा हो ना हो, मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है इस point पे. And just making people realize that, you know what, you're going to have to do. I mean, there's excellence that you have to reach to, right? And I think you really work towards reaching towards that excellence. And if you feel like you're not reaching towards excellence, you refuse to let go of something. And I wish you all the very best. A lot of love, luck, and laughter in your future, I hope. And मिलते हैं, चाय पे मिलते हैं, कॉफ़ी पे भी मिल सकते हैं, वैसे तो बाकी सारी चीज़ों में भी मिल सकते हैं, बट मिल तो ले हम. I wish this was not on a video, and I wish I was sitting with you in front of you, so I can give you a big hug right now and a big kiss. I love you. All the best.
हाय चर ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ oh god we've come a long way from you not liking me at all to you being one of my closest friends. Thank you so much for existing. Like I always say, you make my soul happy, char. I really want you to know that you are loved, you are cared for, and I think this friendship is for life. Wherever you choose to go, know that any place will be lucky to have you, any person would be lucky to have you, and I hope like you continue to practice self-love for yourself, and I hope you continue to listen really deeply to others. Thank you so much for doing that for me. I know you are the person I can count on without even thinking twice. I can blindly trust you, and thank you so much for being that friend for me. I wish you all the best wherever you choose to go, and lots of love.
Hello. I don't know where to start, Janita. No, I know where to start. Char, it has been a great journey so far. Knowing you, spending time with you, and cracking inappropriate, crazy jokes with you. काफी time हो गया है, but I think as I keep getting to know you, I keep loving you more and more. So all the best. I mean, I don't want to say goodbye because it isn't goodbye. It might be goodbye to work, but that's okay. You are going to do great things that you love, things that are gonna get you closer to who you want to be, and I couldn't be happier and prouder for the choices that you are making. All the best, and ये सिलसिला तो जारी रहेगा ही. Off you go. Take care. Love you. Bye. Hi, Charnita. I know we started hanging out and started to get to know each other a little too late. But thank you so much for teaching me a lot in life, for always just being there to listen to me rant or crib, or even like sometimes when I say nice things. So just thank you for always being there. I wish I can be half as smart, as patient, and a good listener as you are. So yeah, it's been all fun working with you, and I'm so excited to see what you're gonna do next in the mountains. So good luck, and I'm gonna keep reaching out to you for everything and anything. Yeah, thank you. Take some hugs. Take.
Hi, sorry you have to look at all of this, not my fault. So assuming that everyone who loves you, which is also everyone who has met you, has already made you cry, and I wouldn't do that. I don't want you to hold on to memories and not move forward. So I have this little song that might make sense, that might not make sense, I don't know. And we can't take back what is done and what is past. So fellas, lay down your fears, 'cause we can't take back what is done and what is past. So let us start from here.
हाय सर, आई होप आप सरप्राइज हुए हो मुझे अपनी इस वीडियो में देख के. मतलब आई डोंट नो मेरा बनता है इस वीडियो में होना या नहीं होना, बट आई थिंक लाइक सिंस इट्स द मच अवेटेड वीडियो एंड आई थॉट लीव मी, आई थॉट आई विल पुट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ माय बाइट एज वेल इस वीडियो को 4 चांद लगाने के लिए. लुक, आई एम वेयरिंग अ वेरी प्रिटी हेयर बैंड ऑल्सो. you know यार मेरे को नहीं पता मैं अभी क्या बोलूँ, but you know like we have discussed this for a really long time and the time is here. I congratulate you for the leap of faith that you have taken. I am pretty sure you are going to be kick-ass at it because we are going to be together and we are going to kick a lot of asses together. Can't wait to see you. Please come. Please let's just all of us, not just the both of us, let's all of us play together that the lockdown lifts, the situation goes back to the new normal, and we start our thing. I love you and I miss you.